Okay, today I'm making a redstone vending machine. This is what I did. This is the finished project I did, and it works perfectly well. And mine uses iron ingots to pay. That's just because that's kind of like I could use gold, diamonds, emeralds. That stuff would also work too. So you come in here, open the door. This stuff isn't going to be really tiny. It just makes it look nice. See, this is where you're going to get your food, and this is where you pay your payment. So you take it, stick that in there, it disappears, and wait, and it pops out pumpkin pie. Whatever you choose to get to come out. And then, so that's it. So I'm going to be making one like this. So I gotta go to the plot over here. Okay, so now 1, 2, 2. Okay, so now you're gonna dig a 5 in length, 4 wide, 3 deep. Whoop. So that you can get the hole you need for all the redstone. So once you have this done, it'll be pretty simple. Oof. Okay. Now we're gonna need Okay, I'm just gonna get a few things that we're gonna need a lot of. So I'll have a few different colors so that's easier. And then now you're gonna need this is this, and then you come up to the 4. This is the front. So you're gonna need this. Oh, and then you're also gonna need hoppers. Now if you normally just try and put a hopper on top, that happens. So you have to do shift, click. And if you're in creative mode, you have to stop flying. Oh, you're gonna need 2 holes here. Shift, click, and you have them there, so shift, click. And see how I connected this to this, it's going downwards. But then I connected these to those, so I went shift and clicked on the side I needed to. No thanks. So then now we're gonna put some chests. Now you do shift, shift, and then click to get that chest on there. And then after we have the chest in, we gotta come here. So if you need a review, remember you do your hole, get your chest in there, you do shift, click, and then it'll go. And you have to make sure to click on the object you wish it to connect it to. So that chest is connected to that hopper under it, that hopper's connected to this, so you click on that. Then you put whatever you want here, just easier to see, and then a piece of redstone on top. And then you're gonna need a redstone repeater. And then go like this. And then you're gonna need 1 block here and a redstone torch. These are the main things you're gonna need. There's gonna be a few things that you're gonna need later on, but not at the moment. 2 blocks here you're gonna need. So it's good to switch it up, otherwise as you're doing this it can just start getting confusing for you. It did for me, so then I changed it up a little bit, so I wasn't making it the first time. And then like that, take two more here, and then you're gonna put a redstone, and then a redstone torch. This really probably isn't like making too much sense, as it didn't really make for me when I first learned this, but it does work in the end, so have faith. And then oh, well, something weird is going on. Okay, we're gonna continue here. If I can get this to go back on. Okay, so then after that, those blocks are placed, and that is the thing there. You're gonna place the block right above that redstone dust. Then you see how there's all this room here. You have your torch there, and then you're gonna put another torch here. After that, you're gonna go up one more time and put another torch on. So then you're going to, again, above this, put a block. But this time it's gonna be a little bit different. You're gonna do 2 by 3, so there's gonna be 6 blocks. And this is where you're gonna add your dropper in. So then, now we're gonna take, sorry for that wait, 2 more blocks here. Comparator here. And then you're gonna right click it and put it into subtract mode. You see how the light goes on, off, you want it on. Then you're gonna come here. Whoop. And now you're gonna figure out what you want to put in this dropper. All the redstone is complete. As you can see, it's really simple. You can start to memorize it later on. Right now, I don't have it completely memorized, so I have some of the stuff put down, just so I know. It'll be a quick one. So you're gonna figure out what do you want the people to get when they insert their money into this chest. So you have to go like, okay. So I'm gonna put in, let's say food. Go take these all out. Now let's do now I'm gonna use apples. Last time I used pumpkin pies. So I'm gonna use some apples. Then you put them all in there. Because after a while, well, I'm not gonna put them all in there. I'm not gonna eat that many. So then then you're gonna come to right. So after this, now you're gonna go to the item. You're gonna be working on this hopper to put stuff in, but you need to figure out what do you want the payment to be. It could be a birch sap, it could be a ladder, it could be a sword. But I'm gonna use a diamond this time, just to make it more fun. I'm just gonna put 3, and then you want to do wooden swords. 4 of them to fill up the hopper, so they know. Oh, okay. So as soon as a diamond is added, you go like this. Oh, your bottom hopper that's connected to the chest, so that way you can come down here in the end and you can collect all your payments. As I'll show you the other one. Place the diamond, and place the swords. So now your thing is completely ready. to give stuff up. So now we're gonna test it. Put a diamond in. Something didn't go right. See, this came to here, but it didn't send. Oh, maybe I do have to put all the apples in. Okay, let's see if I did everything right. I think I might have messed up on torches somewhere. I can't see what I did wrong. So, well, this is how you build it. This is exactly as it should be built. Oh, maybe, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna see if that's what it is. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the item hopper. We're gonna go, oh, see how it just shot that apple? Because it got its payment. Yep, so I guess it has to be iron. Put your payment in, and there's your apple. So I did do it right, I just didn't use the right stuff. So now you can choose what you want to put in. I really like polished granite and pillar quartz for these. They kind of go with each other. Not the best, but they do. So you're gonna put one. So then you can get your pillars built, and I'm probably not gonna just finish this all. I'm gonna show like some really like nice ways to get doors built and all that. So I'm just gonna show the basics here. And if you want people to see this, you can. But I did is I went like this so that my redstone stuff is not visible. Nothing of the redstone is visible except for the dispenser. Okay, so this is one way you could do it. I had a little different. So then this is so, you know, just like put in your walls. And I'm just gonna go back over to my finished one if I can over here. And you see I put like walls there just to help keep monsters out. And then this one at least shows what you get. So you come here, open the doors, put your payment in there, and the pumpkin pie shoots at you. So that's how you make one of these. Simple make. I hope you enjoyed. And that was ES Videos